Yep.
You're lighting it?
Can you see that?
I see it. Where is it?
Didn't do it yet.
Oh! Where did they do it?
Just different colors. Did you count them?
Yeah, you did. I did
10?
I'll count the next.
That was cool. That was cool.
It's a good one.
Want another one?
Yeah, one more of them. Maybe it's a different color.
That was really
Yeah. What? I don't know.
That one, the first one was red and green. I hope this one's different. I hear another flower. Oh, red, green, red, green, red.
Oh, green.
Oh, green, green,
Green.
red, green, red.
When they go up to the smoke,
You think so?
you see them down here. Come down and
Pretty.
sometimes see them come down from the smoke.
No.
Yeah, I'll come look. How many of these do you got? I'll check.
24.
Okay. Okay, I'll come look. You want to come down with me?
No.
Okay.
I thought I took other.
Can I go down, or do I have to stay here with you?
You can come down the next one
It's
now.
okay. My babies. Woo!
You want to go stand behind Jen? No. It's neat to see.
Do you want to go, Bird? No, it's okay. You don't have to. Oh, sorry.
Chrissy, you want to go down and see it?
Is it okay if I go down with Jim?
I want to go inside and look.
What?
What?
I want to watch the show. It smells bad.
She wants to go inside. It smells bad.
Takes for a couple to make the smoke first. Ready? Count them, honey.
Woo.
See how it got right through the smoke?
Yeah.
They shouldn't put it that right where they put a lemon in the
No, it's not. It's not it. It's
Oop.
It's probably the burning. Okay, let's do a fountain.
fountain.
Birdie, you
not
might-
it.
that just stays on the ground, but Birdie, you might have to move over here to see it. Can I hold the bird? Okay, now this is a fountain. That was the cone.
No.
Fountain. Can you see it?
Yeah.
A little weak for a fountain, but it's not too bad. There we go. That's a lot of smoke for all that fountain.
That was a weak fountain.
Well, we got 4 of them, haven't we? Probably all the same.
What do those round things do? You want to see another fountain?
Do you want another fountain?
Yeah, Birdie wants another fountain. The monkey boxes are finale.
I like the one.
Why do you need the monkey box?
Another fountain first?
Yeah, give him up the fountain. I hope this one's done.
I don't think it is. I think they're all the same.
I think they're all terrible.
It was me.
Ooh, it gives me light. I said, ooh, I have a light.
What does your tiger think?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Pour smoke in the fountain. Oh yeah, it's better, huh?
It was better.
Oh yeah, we got different colors, remember? Yeah. I thought they were all identical, just a different package.
Ooh, that was a good one. It's still on fire.
It's still on fire.
That was a good one, Jimmy.
Yeah,
It's so cool. I want to see a different violet.
Okay.
How does your tiger like it? What do you think?
She, you mean?
What'd she think?
She thinks it's cool.
It's cool. What's the think pick?
Fun.
Ellie might not like this one.
Oh,
Sounds like it's loud.
It's loud, huh?
what is it?
Ready.
What is it?
Sorry, Christy.
It's okay. I jeopardized her treat.
That was cool.
The tiger.
What's wrong, babe? Sorry.
Okay, what do you want now?
I like that one.
You want another one of those?
Do we only have 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, do another one.
What are we saving for, though?
Is that the monkey ball?
No.
It smells smoke.
Yeah, it's putting off gunpowder, basically.
Gunpowder.
Yep. I like this one.
Oh, it's too loud.
And it's a dud.
I like the end of this one.
Yeah, that's pretty, isn't
Ooh.
it?
I don't like the
It didn't do it.
The finale.
It's like that seemed to end so much differently. It popped.
Two more of these of the pack of the Roman candles left. So you knock those off.
That's okay.
Does anybody want? Do you want to hold this?
No.
Hold the Roman candle. I can hold the Roman candle.
You can hold it. It'll go down. I don't care.
Yeah, but
Just don't aim it at your children.
you wanna hold it, Pickle?
I don't want
Holding it. Woo! No one's counting for me. I'm going blind.
You can throw it right there. I think I'm supposed to leave that possible. I don't think that's necessarily true. Give me a light, Christy.
Oh, okay.
How many fell out?
to. It's not that.
Maybe just this one, huh?
That seems right.
That looks right. Okay. Let's give it a try.
Do you need the light down there?
No.
Why does it smell like donkey?
It's like a sulfur, I think, if you smell. It does smell kind of bad, but
It smells like donkey.
this gonna do?
I don't know if that.
I mean, are we gonna be able to see it? No, but that we can move.
It's set, lit. You're okay, sweetheart. You're
We won't do another one of them. We won't do another one of them.
It's okay.
Who wants to hold her?
Anyone want to hold a Roman candle?
Go ahead, you do it, Jim.
Want me to do it from here?
Yeah.
Honey, it won't do
Hey,
anything.
tree.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do we have?
The cones and circles.
Well, we're not doing any
We
more
have
of
a
them.
100 Roman candles. We have 2 more circles and 2 more cones.
Why don't we do the cones and the circles, and then we'll do the monkey.
What's that?
We'll just use the cones and the circles. And
You
then
don't
we'll
want to do the circle.
The circles aren't the bad one.
Oh, it's not?
No.
It's not that one?
No.
Oh, it was circle. That's why.
No, they're like
You're
a
a
square.
fountain. You have to move. You want to what?
She has to go inside and watch.
You won't be able to see, honey. Jim isn't going to do anything that shoots like that anymore.
That wasn't as bad as I thought though.
Yeah, it's kind of fun. Especially that one that flew towards your house.
That was probably the one that fell off.
Yeah. Oh my. See, we'll see.
It's still on fire. Oh, it's the good one.
Jim, wait, where's the middle thing?
That's not that one.
It's not that one.
What does the middle thing?
The circle one? I don't know.
Okay, do a circle one. You want to be done? Yes?
You want the circle one or no?
You want a circle or just a banana?
Circle?
Here's another fountain.
One
You
more
want another
fountain?
fountain?
2 circles.
Okay, do another fountain. Birdie likes the fountain.
My bird. My pickle. It's rough being a pickle.
Okay, here's the fountain. Oh, do you want to do the monkey? No?
No, she hates the monkey. She hates his face.
Sometimes we try to do the other fires.
Yeah. Maybe we'll do them on my birthday.
Now one. That's not it. Now this is. Yeah,
Took it a little while, huh?
it's fine.
Okay, should we do the monkey?
That first one was the worst.
Yeah.
That was our finale.
Yeah, the monkey's the last one, Birdie.
Do the monkey, Jim.
Do the monkey.
Do the monkey.
Monkey.
Wanted you to do the Johnny Bravo.
Read the directions.
Monkey is it done?
Yeah. Captain Monkey will be done.
What if it is another firework?
What?
Give it a bit of cool.
He will.
Oh, this is fun.
I like fireworks. Is this going to be lost, Jim?
Yeah, this thing I put in the water or something.
The monkey.
You don't have any idea.
Ooh! Oh my! That was it, my babies! Happy 4th of July! Happy 4th of July, my little one!